A gentle beginning. Understanding your grief. Loss can feel like an immense, unmovable weight. It might descend upon you suddenly, or it may have been a long, slow shadow on the horizon. Now that it is here, it can feel like a night that has forgotten how to end. You may feel a profound sadness, a sharp, surprising anger, or a weary, hollow emptiness. You might even feel all of these things at once, a confusing and turbulent sea of emotion. I want to assure you, with all the kindness in the world, that these feelings are a natural, human part of grief. They are the language of a heart that has loved. You are not alone in this experience, even when it feels like the loneliest place on earth. Many of us are taught to be strong, to carry on, to put a brave face on things. But true strength in the face of loss is not about building a wall against your feelings. It is about having the courage to face them, to acknowledge their presence without judgment. Your grief is a testament to the connection you shared, a measure of the love that was given and received. It is not a problem to be solved or a weakness to be hidden away. It is a journey to be navigated, one moment at a time. Please know that it is all right to not be all right. Give yourself the grace you would offer to a dear friend in the same position. When we speak of hope in the context of loss, it is easy to misunderstand its nature. Real hope is something quieter, more fundamental. It is the small, persistent whisper that tells you that tomorrow might be a fraction easier than today. The very first and perhaps most crucial step on this path is to grant yourself permission to feel. In our society, we often feel an unspoken pressure to manage our emotions, to keep them tidy and out of sight. When faced with the overwhelming power of grief, this can lead to a painful internal battle. You might tell yourself you should be stronger, or that you should be over it by now. I urge you to let go of these. Your feelings are not wrong. They are a direct and honest response to your loss. Let them come. Do not try to dam the river of your sorrow. If you feel the need to cry, then allow the tears to fall. They are a physical release, a natural way for the body to process profound emotion. If you feel anger bubbling up inside you, acknowledge it. Anger is a common and powerful part of grief, often stemming from a sense of injustice or helplessness. You do not have to act on it in a destructive way, but you must allow yourself to feel it. Your feelings are visitors. Let them enter, acknowledge them, and trust that they will, in their own time, eventually move on. Grief is not just an emotional experience, it is a profoundly physical one. It can exhaust the body, leaving you feeling weary to your very bones. Your sleep may be disrupted, unable to fall asleep, waking frequently throughout the night. Your appetite might disappear completely, or you may eat without thinking. Try to nourish your body with simple, healthy food when you can. A bowl of warm soup, a piece of fruit, a slice of toast. Make an effort to drink water throughout the day. Water is a small, significant act of self-care. Gentle movement is vital, not strenuous workouts. A short, slow walk can help. Be patient with your body's limits. In the disorienting aftermath of loss, the familiar structure of daily life can crumble. Days can blur into one another, feeling formless and overwhelming. This is where the quiet power of routine can be a true lifeline. Routines, even incredibly small ones, act as anchors in the storm of grief. They provide predictability and safety when everything else feels chaotic. They give the day a gentle shape, a simple framework to move from one moment to the next. Begin tiny. Make a cup of tea or coffee first thing in the morning. Focus on the process, the sound, the warmth, the aroma. Sit by a window for 5 minutes while you drink it. This small, repeated act can become a comforting start to your day, a moment of quiet predictability. Add one other small, manageable task, not to be productive, but to engage gently. It could be watering a houseplant, sorting the post, or listening to one piece of soft music each afternoon. These small routines are like guideposts when you feel lost. Over time, these small acts add up, building a delicate scaffolding of stability. Simple mindfulness can offer a brief respite, a moment of stillness amidst the chaos. One of the simplest and most powerful tools you have is your breath. Find a comfortable place to sit, feet flat on the floor. Gently close your eyes if that feels right. Breathe in for 4, hold for 2, and breathe out for 6. Repeat 3 or 4 times. This simple act can soothe your nervous system and quiet the mind. Now, name 3 things you can see: pattern on a curtain, a crack in the ceiling, a book on a table. 2 things you can hear: the hum of a refrigerator, a bird singing outside. 1 thing you can feel: the texture of the chair beneath you. Not a cure, but a moment of peace, and moments of peace are precious. Grief can be an incredibly isolating experience, making you feel cut off from the world, yet connection is fundamental. and even more important during times of loss. Reaching out for help is not weakness, it is profound courage and self-care. Consider a support group. Many meet online or speak with a counselor for a safe, confidential space. Create a small ritual to honor them. Light a candle each evening, plant a flower in their memory, look at a photograph and say one kind sentence about them or a shared memory. Let me tell you a short story about a woman named Mia. Mia lost her older sister Chloe very suddenly. The shock and the grief were like a thick fog. She could not sleep, even small tasks felt overwhelming. She ignored friends' calls. Her counselor suggested anchors, a very short list of 3 simple things each day. 1, walk outside for 10 minutes. 2, call one friend. 3, make one good cup of tea by the window. On better days, she did one, put on her coat, walked to the end of the street and back. Or she made the tea and watched the world go by, grounded in the present. Slowly, almost imperceptibly, the anchors became habits. One day, a memory of Chloe brought a soft smile before the sadness. The pain was there, but not the only thing. She found a few small, steady steps, helping her move forward. Hope grew quietly, like a wildflower through concrete. As we close, remember, be patient with yourself. Healing does not follow a timetable or a straight path. There will be good days and difficult days, sometimes within hours. This is normal. Hope often looks small at first. A single deep breath when overwhelmed. A small bite of food when you have no appetite, a short walk to the end of the garden. If the weight is too heavy, reach out, tell someone, call a helpline, speak with a counselor. With time, small lights join together, not away from your loss, but through it, toward a future where hope is possible again. If you found this video of value, please hit the like button and subscribe for more content, and thank you for watching.